Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make cookie butter ice cream. You're going to need 1 chocolate bar, half a cup of cookie butter, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of butter. So you're going to melt the butter, then add the sweetened condensed milk, then the cookie butter, then mix everything all together. Doesn't that look really good? Once you're finished mixing, set that aside, grab another bowl, and add the 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Then you're going to want to beat it, or you can mix it with your stand mixer. Then add the heavy cream into the other bowl, and you're going to want to fold it in. For those of you who don't know how to fold, I will teach you how. So the best utensil to use is a spatula, so you're going to take it from the bottom and put it on top. Take it from the bottom and put it on top, like you're folding your shirt. Here's a better view. So once you're done mixing everything in, grab your candy bar. You can either slice it. I just ripped it apart and threw it into the bowl. If you want more, you can add 2 bars. I just added 1. Then you're going to place it into a container and then cover it with saran wrap and then place it in the freezer. I left mine overnight. Just you have to leave it in the refrigerator, or the freezer, for at least 6 hours. I had let it sit out for about 20 minutes to let it soften. And you're all done. It's really simple, easy. You don't need to use an ice cream maker, and the consistency just tastes like ice cream. I think it's even better. This is a great gift to give in the summer. You can just buy a container and place it in there and hand it to your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. What is your favorite ice cream? Let me know in the comments. Bye, guys.